So hello, my name is Daniel Joela. I'm the audio engineer for the movie Miss. All the sounds captured on location were recorded with the Rode NT-G3 microphone and the appropriate blimp and boom pole. And regarding Foley After Effects, we used the NT2A microphone. Regarding the movie itself, we've used practically all the sounds we recorded on location. Some necessary changes were regarding the crash, the bottle crash, and car brakes, tire brakes, which we recorded with this guy right here.
Hi, I'm Rene Gallo. I'm the director and the writer of the movie Miss. The idea came into my mind when I was riding in a bus when I saw that the road competition was online again. I thought of a script and I finished it immediately before I got out of the bus. I contacted my friend Daniel and we started searching for an actor, and then we scouted a few locations and we basically did it really fast.
Since we didn't have any dialogue in the movie, we tried to use music to express the emotion of the film itself. So the basic idea was to just use it as a drone sound during the first half of the dream state, the first part of the dream state, and when he wakes up we actually use the melody. And all the parts you hear before are parts of the melody that are going through the whole dream state. Since this is my first time I actually composed anything, I'm pretty satisfied with the results.
The whole process behind the look of the movie was to make it sort of like damp and not connected to the viewer, like really like a lot of empty wide angles, lifeless and...
Hello, my name is Zdravko. As you can see, I'm an actor in this film. From the beginning it was a very interesting project for me, from the very first idea and the concept, because for me as an actor it was really a challenge to make it visible, this kind of emotion that blind guy dreaming actually feels and what he is actually going through in this dream. We did lots of preparation, lots of trying to do something, lots of playing with these scenes, so it was very kind of good experience, very nice experience for me. And I think the whole project from the beginning and the idea and the script and the concept was I think interesting. I hope for you will also be as much as interesting as it was for me.